So today's announcement, Kieran, is part of a package. We've got the Treasurer and the Prime Minister talking this afternoon. We've got the Reserve Bank Governor talking more about this decision this afternoon. It's going to be a very, very big afternoon. Up until this moment, the share market was up first thing this morning, then it's been trailing back. Basically, people have been selling equities. They've been selling bonds. I mean, unbelievably, the 10-year bond, you're going to hear a lot about bonds, has gone up. The yield went up to 1.53, up 30 basis points. Now, translated, that means people are selling bonds. So people are getting out of things, which means that liquidity in this market is really tight, right? Our Australian dollar has gone down to a low of 55 US cents. But look, what the Reserve Bank is doing, in addition to pulling the cash rate down, is it's going into buy bonds. Now, that is all about making it easier for lending to happen to our businesses, to make sure that they can keep people employed. So this is part of the package, and it's all about liquidity. You will be hearing, I suspect, very quickly from the big four banks as to how they respond to this. The other element, which I can just quickly get some sort of comment on, which is that the bank is going to provide the Reserve Bank a 3-year funding facility to big banks. Now this again will be very interesting to hear from the big four. I bet we hear from the big four this afternoon as to how they're going to be able to add liquidity and lending into the system. I mean, this is a very, very big afternoon. Whether it'll be enough is another question, but it's a very big afternoon for markets.
And it comes in the context, Ticky, as you say, the government planning that second package. We reported earlier that it's going to be significantly bigger than the first one, which was only a week ago, but already they're planning this over the weekend, a massive package, support package, and then, of course, this in the context of the monetary approach. We just hope it's all enough, Ticky.
Yeah, well, look, this is a moving feast, as you've been covering daily, Kieran, so this will be the next stage. It's a bit like where we are with, getting closer and closer to a lockdown or school closures and that sort of thing. This is another further response. Now, I don't think they'll go the way of the British, which was really 100% on really the business side and lending. I think it'll be a combination of helping the lending market and also direct payments to support employees, people out of work, or to keep them in work. But that is all to be revealed.